Imagine waking up one day and forgetting the names of the people you love, or not recognizing your favorite place. Scary, right? That's what the life can feel for the people with Alzheimer's disease. In this video, let's explore what is Alzheimer's disease and how we can support those affected. So, what is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer is a disease that affects our brain. It's become very difficult for the people with Alzheimer's disease to remember things, talk clearly, and to express properly, and to do even simple tasks. Alzheimer is not the common part of aging, but it usually happens to older people. So, how Alzheimer affects our brain? We have billions of cells in our brain, which helps us remember things, talk, and express. With the Alzheimer's disease, these cells get affected, damaged, and stop working. This is why the people with Alzheimer's disease forget names, lose things, or get lost in the familiar places. Here are some common signs of Alzheimer's disease. Forgetting things like names or events. Asking same questions again and again. Trouble with remembering things, what part of a day, time, or where they are. Having trouble with speaking or writing. If someone is showing these signs, they should immediately see a doctor. Health professionals aren't sure that what causes Alzheimer's disease, but few things can increase the risk. These are age. Alzheimer's generally happens to older people 65 and above. Family history or genetics. If your parents or your siblings has Alzheimer's, there are high chances of getting it. Unhealthy lifestyle. Things like smoking, drinking, lack of exercise, or unhealthy eating habits also plays a vital role in getting the disease. While we can't completely stop Alzheimer's, but we can take care of our brain by eating healthy foods, regular exercising, keeping our brain active with puzzles, memory games, and learning new things. If someone you know has Alzheimer's, it is tough, but here are the few things which can help. Be patient. People with Alzheimer's disease takes longer than usual to do the things. Create a safe space. Create a safe and comfortable space for them in your home. Spend time together. Listen to them. Actively speak to them. Stay positive. Spend good time with them. Take care of them. This will really help. Alzheimer's is a difficult disease, but with love, care, and support, we can make a huge difference to the life of those affected. If you want to know more or have any questions, please leave in the comment box below. We are happy to help. Thanks for watching.